A popshot is a toy gun consisting of a cylinder and a rod that is used to shoot avocado pear seed pellets. It works by sealing both ends of the cylinder with pear seed pellets. Then insert the rod into the cylinder by pushing against one of the pellets at either end of the cylinder. This creates a buildup of pressure inside the cylinder, which eventually pops loose the pellet at the alternate end of the cylinder. Do take care never to point the popshot towards one's face. The projectile launched can be a danger to the eyes.
Tools and materials: avocado pear seed, metal or plastic tube, metal wire, hammer, and a hacksaw. Procedures: use the hammer to straighten the tube if it is not already straight. Cut the tube to a length approximately 9 inches long. Now cut the metal wire to an approximate length of 12 inches. Insert the metal wire into the tube such that it just exits the other end. Bend the remaining wire to an angle of 90 degrees. That is it. The popshot is now complete. Seal both ends of the tube using pear seed. Do this by piercing into the seed with the tip of the tube and breaking away pellet-sized pieces of seed into both ends. Insert the wire into the tube by pushing the pellet 1/4 the length of the tube. Finally, fire the popshot by pushing the wire firmly into the tube. This will launch the pellet at the other end and make a popping sound. The performance of the popshot depends very much on how well it is made. A well-constructed popshot can produce a louder sound and achieve a longer range.